All right guys, we're here with the launch of the all-new roof rack for the ADV crew. This is the ADV, as you know, has the camper shell in the back. This works great on the North Star, works great on the open cab model, but this roof rack is a super easy bolt-on installation. It uses all of the factory mounting points, so it's a real easy bolt-on installation to the cab, still uses your factory roof, and allows you to really customize how you're gonna throw some gear up top. Light bar options up front. We have, for the KC Pro 6 has an option. You can throw a rigid up there, a 40-inch, a dual row, a slim row, tons of different options that you can throw on the front for a light bar, really light up the trail in front of you, and it's super easy bolt-on installation there as well. All the horizontal slats going across the vehicle are included with this kit. So you have tons of room, tons of options to lay out your Rotopax mount, your toolbox mounts, chest mounts, soft storage mounts, anything that you can think of and be able to put up here on this roof rack. You've got room to do it because we have all the horizontal crossbars in there and different tie down points and all ready to go. Customize the accent panels, really dial it in and make it match your ride. Or on the black, you're gonna get all 6 on this one of the jewel gray. So this thing comes complete and ready to go on the all-new Xpedition ADV model. Check it out, thumperfab.com or a Thumper Fab dealer near you. We'll see you on the trail.